Aiper Seagull Pro Cleaning Performance. The Aiper Seagull Pro is known for its excellent cleaning performance. Sometimes you may face issues that affect its efficiency. This section covers how to troubleshoot these problems effectively. Suction issues. If the Seagull Pro struggles with suction issues, check the following. Check the filters. Make sure the filters are clean. Dirty filters can reduce suction power. Inspect the suction path. Ensure there are no blockages. Debris can obstruct the suction path. Verify the power settings. Make sure the device is set to the correct power mode. Maintaining these components can significantly improve the suction performance of your Seagull Pro. Brush maintenance. Brush maintenance is crucial for optimal cleaning performance. Follow these steps. 1. Remove the brush. Detach the brush from the unit. 2. Clean the bristles. Use a comb or brush to remove hair and debris. 3. Inspect for damage. Check if the bristles are worn out. Replace if necessary. 4. Reattach the brush. Secure the brush back into place. Regular brush maintenance ensures that your Seagull Pro remains effective. Component, action, filters. Clean or replace regularly. Suction path. Remove any blockages. Brush. Clean and inspect for damage. By following these steps, you can maintain the cleaning performance of your Aiper Seagull Pro. This will help keep your home clean and tidy.